Welcome to my channel Creative Product Review. Here are the top 5 Walkie Talkie. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Walkie Talkie. The Baofeng UV5R Walkie Talkie is a powerful and reliable dual-band radio perfect for outdoor activities, hunting, and emergency use. With its 5W8W power output, it delivers strong signal coverage up to 16 km in open areas. The audio is clear, the build quality is solid, and the battery lasts long during extended use. Its easy-to-use interface and multiple functions make it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. A great value handheld transceiver for versatile communication. Number 2. Walkie Talkie. The Bintok BT8200 Walkie Talkie is a reliable long-range communication tool with impressive 10W tri-power output. Its full band support and clear noise reduction technology ensure crisp audio even in challenging environments. The built-in Bluetooth makes phone programming easy and convenient, saving time for users. Its sturdy build and stable performance make it ideal for outdoor activities, security teams, and professional use. Overall, a powerful and user-friendly ham radio offering excellent value and dependable connectivity. Number 3. Walkie Talkie. The 4PCS Baofeng UV5R Tri-Power Walkie Talkie set offers great value with strong 8W5W output, improving range and clarity. Its dual-band feature works well for various outdoor and professional uses, and the Tri-Power option helps manage battery life efficiently. The radios feel solid, easy to operate, and deliver clear communication even in challenging areas. For teams, security, or outdoor activities, this 4-pack provides reliable performance and excellent affordability, making it a highly practical choice. Number 4. Walkie Talkie. The Retevis RM15 Marine Radio is a dependable VHF handheld ideal for boating and water activities. With its IP68 waterproof rating and floating design, it stays safe and visible even if dropped in water. The radio delivers clear long-range communication, making it reliable in open water conditions. Its portable build and strong battery life add to convenience. Overall, it's a sturdy, user-friendly marine transceiver perfect for both recreational and professional use on the water. Number 5. Walkie Talkie. The Aradio UV98 Plus is a powerful and versatile multi-band ham radio perfect for serious users. With its 10W output, FM MSSB support, and HF capability, it delivers strong and clear communication over long distances. The cross-band repeater function adds impressive flexibility, while the 2.4 large screen makes navigation easy. Build quality feels solid, and performance is reliable for outdoor, emergency, and hobby use. A great choice for those needing advanced features in a portable radio. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.